Alright guys, sorry about that. I guess it cut off on my timer a little early, but this is just part 2 and wrapping up of what my goal was and kind of just a repeat of what everything's been said, but the health belief model and why I chose that and the theories and why and what they're going to play a role in all this. But in the health belief model, that it can be used to design short and long-term interventions, and this is perfect because I'm proposing this to be a long-term intervention for construction companies around the world. The key elements of the health belief model focus on individual beliefs about health conditions which predict individual health-related behaviors. That's important to focus on individual employees in this process. One person's health can affect others. Is that if I can just get one guy to start doing this and bringing his meals in and drinking water like he needs to be during the day instead of soda, then it's going to carry on. The next guy's going to start doing it and just seeing the performance that we have, and hopefully the owner of our company finds the benefits of all this. And to go back, like I said, I just want to speak with local restaurants and stuff, and with trainers, someone to throw health seminars for us, and doctors to do screenings for us, because a lot of these guys can't afford health insurance, so it's tough for us to get physical. So if people don't know what's going on with their body, there's no reason for them to care or to continue on even trying a perfect diet. If you don't know that you have prostate cancer, or you have something wrong with your stomach, or if you have something going wrong anywhere, it could be due to diet. And these guys, if they don't have anything to, assess or be assessed, it's going to be hard for them to even start wanting to get onto a diet. So it's something I feel really is important, is those health screenings yearly for us to have healthy, clean drinking water. We have a water dispensary right down the street, a major water dispensary, and it would be great, like I said, for them to give us bottled water throughout the weeks, or help us with kegs or something that they can do. And these are just ideas up in the air, but something that would really help us. And if people can if we can get, Subway to, even though it's not the greatest, it's still, you got your vegetables, you got your carbs, and if they can down the street bring us subs once every couple weeks that our boss pays for, or that they can donate, something to start getting this program off its feet, it's something I'd love to bring up for sure. And the next theory is the used to provide useful information for planning and implementing health promotion and disease programs. Again, it's important because I want every employee to understand what they're doing to their bodies every day and how being healthy can really do wonders in your life. It's changed me just by eating healthy every single day. I used to be the guy to drink a Monster in the morning, Red Bull at lunchtime, and it would, by the time I got to the gym, I felt like I was dead. So this is something where I feel it's going to play a big, vital role in our company, something I'd love to set off and have it start, going and putting this thing into action. So if you guys have any, comments or questions, please feel free to message me, or, let the teacher know so he can let me know, because this is something that if you guys feel like you can have more input or in this type of work and feel like this could benefit you, like I said, let me know. So thanks again, and thanks for watching from yours truly, the Healthy Hard Hat Heroes. Hopefully you guys have a great night, and take care.